5 reasons not to take up architecture. Let's go. Number 1, sleepless nights. Yes. So, kung mahilig ka sa tulog, hindi para sa iyo ang Archi. Dahil kadalasan, pag naghahabol ng plate, natatamba ka na plate, napupuyat kami, or worse, wala talaga kami tulog pagpasok sa school. Paminsan, we give up. Nakakaya sabihin. Pero ito ang experience ko. Nag-give up ko na maligo, mag-toothbrush, kumain. Number 2, it's really expensive. Tuition fee pa lang, sobrang mahal na ng Archi. Number 2, napakamahal ng laptop for Archi o rendering. Dapat gaming laptop ka. Number 3, napakadami naming drawing materials. Drafting table, T-square, tech pens, coloring materials. Ang dami-dami. At mga papel. Gumagawa pa kami ng scale model. At the end of the course, magti-thesis ka pa, papaprint ka pa ng napakalaki. Number 3, you need at least 7 years to become an architect. Yes, 7 years. Well, depende sa school. Pero most of the time, 7 years ang kailangan mo. Pag 5 years yung degree mo sa school, like where I came from, I'm from UST. 5 years yung course doon. Then I took another 2 years for apprenticeship. Then board exam. Number 4, low starting salary. Yes, mababa po ang starting salary ng mga architecture graduate kasi you're still considered apprentice. Pero it doesn't mean na hindi siya tataas eventually. Kaya kung importante sa yung gumrind at kumita ng malaki agad pagka-graduate, hindi po para sa inyo to. Not unless mag-work kayo sa abroad. And number 5, last but not the least, we have a lot of math subjects. So kung inaakala mong nakaiwas ka sa math sa pag-take ng architecture at hindi mo piniling mag-engineering, nagkakamali ka. Ang dami naming math. Meron kaming algebra, geometry, trigonometry, engineering science 1, 2, 3, architecture science 1, 2, 3, physics at calculus. Baka may mga hindi pa ako nabanggit, pero yeah, marami kami math subjects. So, kung gusto niyo pa rin mag-architecture after these 5 reasons, ibig sabihin, passionate ka talaga sa architecture and I'm so happy for you. Welcome to architecture. You're bracing the challenge. One of the hardest courses daw based sa Google. And good luck!